Hello everyone, Candy Hearts here, and welcome back to GASA4 Part 4, hopefully the final. Let's get this rolling. Now this, I'm gonna say now, it's gonna most likely be longer than 20 minutes. I know the last one was, but this one I know for a fact will be. As you know, I got that ending. Okay, so it says I did orange juice, then toothpaste. Got all the endings. It turned to gold? Since when? Excuse me, sorry. I apologize. I've been really gassy lately, so I apologize for that. Anything special today? No. Alright. Let's go get this orange juice. What's up, dummy? Not dummy. Wrong person, cashier. You sure you wanna buy this? What juice? I wanna actually pay for it. Singing that old song. My baby's gotta come, my baby's gotta come, baby's gotta come, I better run, my baby's gotta come. It goes boom, boom, clack, 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 boom, boom. And finally, this time, I got ready. It's time to go say hello to the dummy. You were quite busy, weren't you? Of course. Nonetheless, I see. Completed. You've completed every substantial and substantial game. Congratulations. Thank you. You've played a game about getting a snack at a late hour. Yes. So basically everything there is to see. Yes. But there's more on the contrary. So, yeah. I suppose you don't have anything else to do in this world. Or do I? I guess this is goodbye then. Goodbye. So long. I love talking to you. Goodbye, my friend. No, dummy, you're not making it awkward. You're amazing, my dude. Are you sure, dummy? What was the goal? Ending. Get a snack at 4 a.m. Yes, guys, so the game is over. Thanks for joining. But wait. It's not that easy, ladies and gents. It's not that easy. Let's go play. What are we doing here? It's dummy. Oh, you came back. How did you get here? I thought you weren't allowed to visit me. Bang, 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 an error. This dialogue's wrong. So I'm gonna just read fast, ladies and gents, because I don't feel like reading this. So basically, there's an error, and we have to go and we have to throw something away and fix it. And basically, this place is sent as a. This void is an automatic place to hold us. He's gonna send me back, and we gotta throw away something and not mess with stuff. The word's gonna be bugged out, by the way. As you can see, we can't go in our house. The only thing we can do Watch. Can I get the money? No. And cashier is glitched. The only thing I can grab is this. I know, it seems like the end for the game. I promise you it's not. Let's go back in. By the way, this is all part of the game. Nothing bad's happening. I have to open my inventory. And are you guys ready? Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. It's dummy. So I'm gonna speed up the dialogue and explain again. Basically, I touched the thing, and he's gonna complain, like gripe at me and stuff and that, and then he's gonna ask me to go throw it away. Because I accidentally touched it, he's gonna gripe at me, and then I have to go throw the orb away. So now we gotta go to the nearest trash can and toss it. And I'm gonna do it. But I couldn't throw away the item. But keep watching, ladies and gents. We ain't done just yet. There's more to come. Oh, my back hurts so much. But it's okay. I need to finish this. Once I finish it, then I can worry about my back. Y'all seeing this ending is more important to me. Considering I already did something I needed to do for my back. As you can see, our world is messed up. We did something. And look at all these trees, they're purple. What's this say? And here he is, ladies and gents. Oh, what's it say? What's it say? Bruh. This is the world. kind of a shame that my first experience here is when the world is corrupted and looks like this. I know, dummy. Did the game get so corrupt that it merged with my room and this world? I suppose. You still have that orb. Yes. I thought you threw it away. I'm pretty sure I saw you do it. I'm still certain that thing is the cause of all this. Now that I think of it, that orb acted a bit different towards them. It looked like it was watching them. Who's them, ladies and gents? Have y'all figured it out? Oh, that thing is just so confusing. I know, dummy, like, so confusing. Do you know what I mean? Yes, 100%, my boy. My dude. Or really did corrupt the world. Did they somehow stop it from doing it? Let's speed up this dialogue because I do not feel like reading it. Basically, he's talking about how specific someone corrupted the world. How specific someone sort of stopped us from corrupting the world. Right, cashier, and we're cashier. And then cashier's gonna explain his thing, which makes more sense than dummies. Come on, cashier, speak your mind, boy, speak your mind. You're wrong. Something tells me the sword isn't the cause of all this. Have you noticed any anomalies before? Something on the NPCs? I can't read it too fast. Yep, the world kept getting weaker. Basically, he's explaining how there was an anomaly, and it was running out of memory and data, and how they're gonna have to. How Orb stored the information, how we're gonna have to save it and stop it. The Orb had leaked a bit of its information into poor cashier. We'll see why I said that. Let's just say dummy disappears and we'll basically see the eyes of Cassie. Dummy's gone, and guess what? Did it work? I can see through your eyeballs. Put that orb away, stop. It won't let me put the orb away. That's what I did. And now you're finally gonna see what's at the end of our road. To follow this road with me, ladies and gents. Ladies, gents, and non-binary couples. Yes, we're out of bounds. Keep continuing a bench to the rest. Okay, let's go. We took a long enough rest. Guess what, everyone? We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Zooming through the sky, little Einstein. Oh my dear, wait. This looks like an oops. As you can see, Dummy wasn't trying, not Dummy, Cashier wasn't trying hard enough, and now he can jump to get through the obby. Oh, I was trying to do like a little trick. But I can't, so I gotta go back and do it normal. I stopped falling. I promise you guys, the ending is worth all of this. So, be honest. Whenever I told y'all we were playing a game about getting a snack at 4 in the morning, did y'all expect it to turn out like this? Unless y'all played it or seen playthroughs before, y'all better have said no. Because there is no way y'all should have expected it to turn out like this. Unless y'all have played it or have seen playthroughs. And now we're about to meet someone. This someone is very special and very important. We're about to meet something very important and special. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? I don't think y'all are ready. Meet Cube. Yes, it is, but we can call him Q for short. Basically, he's gonna talk about how this orb was his friend named Orby, and how the orb went away on its own journey one day, and, they fix anomalies and help create the whole world. Excuse me, sorry, I apologize once again. And how it's gonna get its friend back. But they're gonna need someone to hold a little bit of information for the game. And that someone is gonna be ding 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 banana phone. Boop, 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 boop. Cashier. Oh, this thing? I had a partner once I couldn't believe every word at the same time. Boring dialogue. So let's do a banana phone. Ready, everyone? Ring, 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 ring. Banana phone. Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing. Banana phone. Can't put away the orb again. But seriously, was this what y'all expected whenever we were going to get a snack at 4 a.m.? And honestly, I did not. A replacement, aka Cashy. Or was it dummy? Was you supposed to be cashier or dummy? Seems like it's saying cashier, but I'm not 100% sure. It's either gonna be me or dummy. Cashier or dummy, cashier or dummy, cashier or dummy. I think it's gonna be cashier, guys. That's just scary. What's the ending? The final. Alright, now I am curious to know what happens if we try rejoining the game. So quickly. Actually, no. We're just gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.